What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, and today I got this package. It is from Anacs. It is from the coins that I sent in earlier this year, and so I wanted to share with you guys the grades that I got. And yeah, hopefully we got some good grades and I can sell these for a profit. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. All right, so this is the box that was within the box, so I'm gonna open it now. And here, let's turn this around. Or should we do it this way? Yeah, let's do it this way. And I guess I'll take them out one by one. Let's see, I don't even remember how many coins I sent in. So yeah, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I sent in 10 coins. And I'm just hoping for good grades. So let's see what we got. First one is a penny. Let's see. Let's flip it over. All right, so 1963. This one was just one I sent in because it was really nice bronze penny. 1963D came back at AU 58. So I was hoping for a better grade on this one, but it's okay. It still can be sold. I will be listing all of these on my eBay page as well, Brit's Hobby Shop on eBay. So if you like, you can check them out. And let's look at the next one. All right, so this one, another penny. And let's flip it over. Okay, so the 1964, also another really nice bronze penny, came back at MS64. Wow, nice. So I will be listing this as well on my eBay page, all of them, unless I find one that I want to keep in my collection. All right, let's see what this one is. Another penny, guys. Let's flip it over. A 1961 came back as an MS63 red. Wow. Okay. MS63. All right, next one we have, let's see, another penny. 2009. And we got an MS66. This is so good. Wow, I'm so happy with this. MS66 for this one. As some of you may know, the grading goes up to 70. So this being a 66, I am so happy with this. Wow. Nice. Okay, let's go to the next one. We have a quarter. This is probably one of my 1932 quarters. So okay, so, oh wow, so it was cleaned. So I bought this and it was in a laminated package and I did not take it out until it was time to send it off to grading. So I did not know it was cleaned. So that's a bummer. But I got a good 4 on this. And if I'm not mistaken, I could get over $100 if I sell it. But I'm kind of, bummed out it was cleaned. But nevertheless, I can still get a pretty penny for it if I sell it. At least over $100 if I'm not mistaken. This is a 1932D. I think 1932S may be the rarest, then D, and then the regular 1932 quarter. And if you do not know, 1932 was the first year that they started minting quarters. So definitely add these to your collection if you can find them online. I look on OfferUp, eBay, Mercari. Any of those are really good sites to find these coins on. So a good 4, not really what I was looking for, but I'll take it. All right, let's go to the next one. So we have another quarter, and if I'm not mistaken, this would be my 1932 as well. So let's turn this over and see what we got. Wow, so this one was cleaned as well, guys. I did not know that. When it comes to my 1932 quarters, I never take them out the packaging that they're in. I always keep them in until it's time to get them graded. And I did not know it was cleaned. So again, that really sucks. I'm hoping I can get a good price for these. I definitely want to sell them because I don't want to add clean coins to my collection. But it's an AU 55. So I'm not going to complain too much. But yeah, AU 55. Beautiful, beautiful quarter. And let's move to the next one. Okay, so for this one, I think it was improperly annealed planchet, but I wasn't sure because sometimes the coins get damaged and they turn colors. So I sent this one in for research. So let's see what we got. Okay, yeah, as I had thought it would be, it's environmental damage. This is not an improperly annealed planchet or a missing clad layer. It's just damage from how it was stored. And we got an AU50 on this one. So this definitely will be up for sale. It's a 1994p dime. Still pretty cool the way, you know, it turned out, the toning and whatever. But yeah, definitely will be up for sale on eBay. All right, we got 3 left, so let's go through these ones. Okay, so for this one, it is a $50 Kennedy $50, and it had, I don't know if this is toning or improperly annealed planchet, but it's really cool the way it looks, so I wanted to send it in for grading. So let's see what we got. An EF40, okay. Wow. So it doesn't say anything about the type of error it is. Not sure what this would be, but EF40, definitely probably would add this to my collection. I think I am going to keep it just because I like the way it looks. Kennedy $50. Okay. And let's go to the next coin. Let's see. Okay, so we have a penny here. Then what's this one right here? This one is, okay, so this must be my 2017 P. So I sent in the floating head coin, and I'm really hoping for a good grade on this one, so let's see what we got. Okay, so it says 2017 P 1 cent, Philadelphia Mint, first use of P, on cent. Doesn't really say anything about the floating head error. But it is an MS63, so you can't go wrong there. Really happy about that. MS63, was hoping for a little higher, but I'll take it. Definitely a very, very nice penny. And yeah, guys, MS63. So let's go to the last coin. We have a wheat cent, and let's turn it over and see what we got. Okay, 1932, we got MS63 red brown. I thought this was a very, very pretty looking penny, 1932, and I definitely just wanted to get it graded. So yeah, this is nice, guys. I'm loving this color. It's red brown, MS63. Awesome. Okay, guys, so all in all, this was my first order with Anacs or with any grading company for coins, and some of them I was a little disappointed on, but overall it was a good order, and they gave me some really decent grades. And so yeah, I'm going to keep on sending coins in, and when they come back, I will let you guys know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.